Exercise 13A, 23rd problem. The line joining P minus 4, 5. Suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Minus 4, 5. Q, 3, 2. Q, 3, 2. This is P and this is Q. This is what? Minus 4, 5. This is 3, 2. Intersects the y-axis at point R. Intersects y-axis at point R. PM and QN are perpendiculars from P and Q on the x-axis. Perpendicular on the x-axis. Find the ratio PR is to RQ, M1 is to M2. The coordinates of R. The area of the quadrilateral PMNQ, this quadrilateral. First let us find M1 is to M2. X is equal to M1 into X2, 3M1 plus M2 into X1 upon M1 plus M2. Here x is equal to what? 0. So this is 0. 0 into M1 plus M2 is equal to 0. So 3M1 is equal to 4M2. 3M1 is equal to 4M2. M1 upon M2 is equal to 4 upon 3. So M1 is to M2 is equal to 4 is to 3. Now let's find the coordinates of R. X is 0 here, we have to find Y. So Y is equal to 4 into 2, 8 plus 3 into 5, 15 upon 4 plus 3, 7. 15 plus 8 is equal to 23, 23 upon 7. The coordinates of Y are 0 and 23 upon 7 or 3, 2 upon 7. Next we have to find the area of quadrilateral PM and Q. Now we can divide it into two parts. We shall draw a line parallel to MN which cuts PM at say S. So quadrilateral PMNQ is equal to rectangle MNQS plus triangle PSQ. This is rectangle MNQS. PM and QN are perpendicular to x-axis. Therefore, these two angles are 90 degree. By construction, SQ is parallel to MN. Therefore, these two angles are also equal to 90 degree. Therefore, MNQS is a rectangle. What is the distance between this 0M and 0N? This is minus 4, right? This is 3. So this part is 4 and this part is 3, 7 units. And this is equal to 2, y is 2 here. So the area of rectangle MNQS, area of rectangle MNQS is equal to 7 into 2, that is 14 square units. Area of this triangle, this is a right angle triangle. PM is perpendicular to the x-axis and we have drawn SQ parallel to MN. So PS is perpendicular to SQ. PS is equal to what? From here to here, from M to P it is 5. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So area of right angle triangle PSQ is equal to half into the perpendicular sides This side is equal to 3 and this side is equal to 7. 21 upon 2, 10.5 square units. So 14 square units plus 10.5 square units. So area of PMNQ, this quadrilateral is equal to 24.5 square units. Problem, in this figure, line APB meets the x-axis at point A and y-axis at point B. P is the point, -4, 2, and AP is to PB is equal to 1:2. Find the coordinates of A, B. Here y is equal to 0. So this is x1, 0. Here x is equal to 0. So 0, y2. If it is x1, y1 and x2, y2, here y is equal to 0 and here x is equal to 0. So -4. -4 is equal to 2 into x1 plus 1 into 0 upon 1 plus 2. -12 is equal to 2x1, therefore x1 is equal to -6. So coordinates of A are -6 and 0. Let's find the coordinates of B now. This y is equal to 2, which is equal to m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 upon m1 plus m2. 6 is equal to y2. So y2 is equal to 6. The coordinates of B are 0 and 6. Coordinates of A -6, 0, and coordinates of B 0, 6. 25th problem. Given a line segment AB joining the points -4, 6 and B 8, -3. The ratio in which AB is divided by the y-axis. Y-axis means x is 0 here. Ratio we have to find. M1 is to M2. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection. Let this point of intersection be P. We have to find the coordinates of this point. The length of AB. Let us find the ratio. M1 is to M2. So 0, that is x, is equal to M1 into x2, 8m1, plus m2 into x1, -4 m2, upon m1 plus m2. It is 0. 8m1 is equal to 4m2. 8m1 is equal to 4m2. So m1 upon m2 is equal to 4 upon 8. That is 1 upon 2. So m1 is to m2 is equal to 1:2. Now y is equal to what? 1 into y2, -3, plus 2 into y1, 12, upon m1 plus m2. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 9 upon 3 is equal to 3. So the coordinates are 0 and 3. The coordinates of point of intersection are 0, 3. Now we have to find the distance between A and B. AB, 8 minus of -4 is 8 plus 4, that is 12. 12 square plus -3 minus 6 minus 9. 144 plus 81. This is equal to 225. So AB is equal to square root of 225 is 15 units. Twenty-sixth problem. If P minus B 9A minus 2 divides the line segment joining the points A minus 3, 3A plus 1. B 5, 8A. In the ratio 3:1, find the values of A and B. So x coordinate of this point of intersection is equal to m1 into x2, 3 5 is 15, plus m2 into x1 minus 3 upon m1 plus m2. So minus 4b is equal to 12. So b is equal to 12 divided by minus 4, that is minus 3. B is equal to minus 3. Now y coordinate, that is 9a minus 2. 9a minus 2 is equal to m1 into y2. 3 is the 24. 24a plus m2 into y1. 1 into 3a plus 1 upon m1 plus m2. 4 into 9a minus 2. 4 9 is 36. 36a minus 8 is equal to 24a plus 3a is equal to 27a plus 1. 36 minus 27 is equal to what? 9. 9a is equal to 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. A is equal to 9 divided by 9, that is 1. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 3.